Hello everyone, welcome to Your Class, Your Future YouTube channel. Today, let's discuss 8th standard social science subject history parts chapter 10 the Chalukyas of Badami and the Pallavas of Kanchi. Exercises. In that first one, fill in the blanks. The Pallava king who was defeated by Pulikeshi is dash. Answer Mahendra Varma. The Pallava king who was defeated by Pulikeshi is Mahendra Varma. Second one, the dynasty which gave the name Karnataka is dash. Answer Badami Chalukyas. The dynasty which gave the name Karnataka is Badami Chalukyas. Next, third one, the writer of the Sanskrit drama Hara Parvatiya is dash. Answer Shiva Bhattaraka. The writer of the Sanskrit drama Hara Parvatiya is Shiva Bhattaraka. Fourth one, the Pallava king who earned the title Vatapi Konda is dash. Answer Narasimha Varma first. The Pallava king who earned the title Vatapi Konda is Narasimha Varma first. Fifth one, the painting The Meditation of Arjuna is in dash. Answer Mahabalipuram. The painting The Meditation of Arjuna is in Mahabalipuram. Next, second main question. Answer the following questions in brief. In that first one, how did Pulikeshi II extend his empire? Answer Pulikeshi II was the most powerful and noteworthy emperor of the Chalukyas of Badami, overpowering the Gangas, Kadambas and Alupas. He extended his empire. He waged a war against the Pallavas and defeated Mahendravarma. When Harshavardhana, who was ruling in North India, declared war against Pulikeshi, a war took place between the two kings of the banks of river Narmada. Pulikeshi stopped Harshavardhana and earned the titles of Dakshina Patheshwara and Lord of the Peninsula for continued daring act. Thus, he founded a vast empire extending from Kaveri to the Narmada. Next, second question. Describe the administrative system of the Chalukyas. Answer. The reign of the Badami Chalukyas is a great and glorious period in the history of Karnataka. The king was actively involved in administration. The kingdom was divided into districts called Vishaya, and the Vishayadhipati used to look after it. The village was the smallest unit of the administration. The village leaders looked after the village accounts. Next, third question. The Chalukyas were lovers of literature. Explain with examples. Answer. The Chalukyas of Badami patronized literature. Kannada and Sanskrit developed very well. Kannada was their state language. During this period, the Tripadi form of poetry came into existence. Though there are many literary works and inscriptions written in Kannada, Tripadi form of poetry can be seen in the inscription of Kappe Arbhata of Badami. The Sanskrit scholars of this time are Ravikirti, Vijika and Akalanka. Kaumudi Mahotsava was written by Pulikeshi II's daughter-in-law, poetess Vijika, and continued Haraparvatiya of Shivabhattaraka are important Sanskrit dramas. Fourth question. Name the Pallava kings who ruled from Kanchi. Answer. The Pallavas are the first kings of Tamil Nadu. They ruled from 4th century to the 9th century. Shivaskanda Varma was the first king of this dynasty. The famous kings of this empire were Mahendra Varma, Narasimha Varma first. Fifth question. How did the Pallavas encourage Sanskrit and Tamil? Answer. The Pallavas encouraged both Sanskrit and Tamil. Kanchi was the center of Sanskrit literature. Bharavi, the author of Kiratarjuniya, and Dandi, the author of Dashakumara Charita, were the poetess in the Pallava court. King Mahendra Varma himself wrote a social drama, Matta Vilasa Prahasana, and a book, Bhagava Dujjuka. This age witnessed the rise of the Bhakti movement. Shlokas were written in Tamil. These have become the treasure of Tamil literature. Next, third main question, activities. In that first one, discuss in groups the contributions of the Chalukyas to Kannada language. Second one, learn about Tripadis from your Kannada teachers and by reading Kannada books. Third one, pay a visit to Kanchipura and Mahabalipuram. Next, fourth main question, projects. First one, pay a visit to a place of historical importance and collect information about it. Second one, draw pictures of temples, collect pictures of and form an album. Okay. So thanks for watching this video till the end. Please like, share and comment this video and subscribe my channel, that is Your Class, Your Future, to watch my upcoming videos. Thank you.